I've got Mr. Nirmal Jain, Chairman, IIFL Group, joining us on a phone line. Mr. Jain, good morning. Good to have you with us here. Could you talk our viewers through what exactly is the proposition in front of them? Just run us through who exactly is Fairfax, just a bit of background, and what are they proposing?
So Fairfax is a very renowned investment house based out of Canada and is controlled by Mr. Prem Vatsa. And in fact, they have had controlling and majority stake in BlackBerry and Bank of Ireland. And in India, they recently acquired Thomas Cook. And I think Mr. Prem Vatsa has a great track record for the last 30 years. And they've been investing in our company also for the last 4 or 5 years. So they made an open offer. So they plan to acquire from open market shares, whatever are tendered in this open offer, up to a maximum of 26%.
And the price that they have offered is about a 4-5% premium to yesterday's close, Mr. Jain, right?
Right, 195 rupees, yes, that's right.
But this offer is going to run on the exchanges. How would it work? I mean, shareholders will have to tender.
Of it, yeah. But I think they will be doing it as per the SEBI regulations.
Right, right. Mr. Jain, you own about 18% of the company, is that right?
So the promoter group, me, Venkat, and our family, we own about 30% of the company.
Right. So, I mean, would you be, what would you be doing in this deal? I mean, would any of you be tendering? What would you advise shareholders to do? I mean, with this kind of an offer?
No, we will not participate in this. So we are not doing anything in this.
Okay, all right. Has Mr. Vatsa been in touch with you, sir, before making this offer?
Not for this offer, no.
Not for this offer. Who are the other significant minority shareholders who might decide to tender in? Because there are lots of institutional investors as well, right, in the company.
Absolutely. So I can't comment on who will tender. It will be speculations. I have absolutely no idea on
that. Okay. This fund, Fairfax Fund India, raised about $1 billion, right? And the parent is listed in the Toronto Stock Exchange.
Absolutely, yeah.
What could does this include the NBFC business as well, or that is separate, sir?
No, this is a holding company, and this is a subsidiary company. This is listed holdco.
Okay, the listed holdco. Okay, fair enough. Sir, would you say this is kind of a sort of reaffirmation of the confidence in the outlook for the broking industry in the country? And I mean, this is essentially a reflection of that. How would you see this?
A reaffirmation of outlook on India first, and within India, financial services sectors.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Jain. Appreciate you coming in with that. Appreciate your time as well. So we'll see how this transaction goes through. But that's IIFL Holdings. The stock is surging. I mean, 17% higher at this point. So that's that. Prashasta, you know, you obviously can't talk about IIFL.